I wanted to talk about this brand, Bear Head, because they sent me a bunch of products. I recorded an unboxing video, the sound got corrupted, messed up, so I'm just kind of doing an unboxing, but I've already used most of the products. I'm just using some of the footage from the previous video that doesn't have the bad sound in it, just to show you these products. This, for example, here is Beard Wash, Beard Oil, Beard Balm. I don't think they do any mustache wax, interestingly. They do like a cool set of products, a mixture of all natural and fragrance based. This one, for example, this is a beard balm. I love how green it is. Hemp oil looks awesome, and it's one of the best holds out of a balm I've ever used. It's really soft balm as well, so you can work it out and really get in the beard. I started using this a bit more and over the last couple of weeks to keep this ever-growing beard in shape. But Bear Head, made up in Scotland. Grant is the brand owner. I think it's just a one-man band sort of act, as most of these small batch handmade beard care products are, but he's doing a fantastic job. Been really impressed with everything. He sent me a bunch of the beard oils. There's a couple of interesting ones. Oud and mango. So Oud, the really expensive essential oil. It's a fragrance based oil, but it's great. It's a very pleasant scent. And then dark honey and tobacco. It's meant to smell like Paco Rabanne's 1 million. I've not used that aftershave. I can't really do the comparison. It's really pleasant. It smells like an aftershave. You wouldn't need to really wear an aftershave if you had that on. You smell pretty fresh all day. So yeah, really impressed with this brand. They're doing good stuff, and I definitely recommend you guys check them out. And I'll see you very soon. We'll do an in-depth review of each product as always. So until the next video, goodbye.